today, and as promised, I'm here with another What Lace unit by Sensational Cloud9 Swiss Lace Wigs, and she's called LATISHA. It's LDW001. I have her in the color 1B, and this is the one that I was actually most excited about. This is the one that I have been waiting for, and this is actually the one that's been selling out really fast. We literally got it like yesterday, I believe, and it's this color I know for a fact is already gone, I believe. So if you go click on the link in the description box, you may not find a 1B. Now, I would not be giving away this unit in this review, but I don't know, maybe I'll give it away tomorrow in the Thursday morning live. So be sure to join in tomorrow if you have time at 11 a.m. I will be going live, and I just might give away this unit live, okay? Alright, so anyway, let's get into the review. So this is one of the HD lace units. You guys know the What Lace units has been coming out with some newer styles lately, and they're all HD lace. The HD lace on these units, I prefer it 100 times more than the regular What Lace, because regular What Lace was a little bit more on the whitish, chalkish side. A lot of people couldn't, you know, get over it. Like, they had to do a lot to blend their hair with it and stuff like that. They had to like use hair tint, and I mean, the tint is not that bad, but I mean, not everyone wants to go through the whole process of tinting their lace and all that good stuff. So I think this one blends in way better and everything like that. All I did was add powder to the parting space, and the hairline, I didn't add any powder. I didn't even add like anything to it, and it seems to be okay. Like, I don't have to do anything much to it at all. It seems to be blending in pretty good. Now, I'm just so in love with this hair. Why? First of all, it's a natural texture, but it's not too poofy. Like, I thought it would have been like bigger than this, honestly. I don't know why. Looking at the stock card, it doesn't look that big. It just looks really pretty, but I just thought that it would have been really poofy, but it's not too poofy. Like, the volume is perfect. I'm the one that has it like spread out like this, but the volume is perfect. This is all the hair to the front, and I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it. Listen, I might just mess up and keep this wig and not give it away. I don't know. I'm just kidding. I'll definitely give it away. But anyway, it comes with baby hairs along the entire hairline. You guys saw me lay the baby hairs down a little bit. Also, you get a 13x6 frontal. So this is a frontal lace wig. It's not just a regular lace wig with a lace part. It's a 13x6 frontal. So you get lace 13 inches from ear to ear, 6 inches from front to back of lace up front that you can part wherever you want to. You can give this a right side part, left side part, center part, top knot bun, cornrows, anything you wish to do, you can definitely do with this unit, which makes it 10 times better. You know, it just makes everything like, why not? Why not invest in this one, and you can do so much more with it, you know? But in terms of the rest of the cap, you get 2 combs at the back of the frontal, 1 comb at the back of the wig with the adjustable straps, and it's a regular cap construction from there. Okay, it is definitely big head friendly. I have the straps adjusted pretty tightly, so yeah, it's really secure and snug on there. I don't even need an elastic band or anything like that, but it's really up to you if you want to add some, but you definitely don't need anything. Okay, it's big head friendly, plus it can fit a smaller head size by just adjusting the straps. Alright, now in terms of heat, it could take heat up to 400 degrees. I was about to add heat to the top right here. You guys know I'm always adding heat to the top just to flatten the parts, but I really don't need it, so I didn't use any heat to it. And plus, I want to give this away, like I said, tomorrow in the live, so I don't want to change the texture of the hair. When you get these natural textures and you add heat to it, it tends to change the texture of the hair and make it straight and silky, and I really didn't want that. So yeah, I combed out the top of it, which was pretty good, and then I finger combed the bottom of it because I didn't want the curls at the bottom to come out too much. So I just used the actual comb to comb the top. That way I can get, you know, these pieces, these bang pieces to frame my face pretty good, and still have the curls at the bottom, which I think is super gorgeous. Let me know what you guys, well, how you guys feel about this unit in the comment section down below. I am so in love with it. listen, I'm really in love with this hair, okay? But anyway, guys, I think I mentioned everything I had to about this unit. If I forgot to mention anything, leave me a question in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer you as soon as possible. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll see you guys pretty soon. Don't forget that the link to this will be in the description box down below, just in case you want to purchase. And yeah, bye guys.